In front of me is VIVO V50 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. To get rid of your search bar, all you need to do is hold it until this pop-up will show. When it does, click on it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, mine was successfully deleted. If you wish to restore it right away, you can always pinch your device's display, hit widgets at the bottom, scroll down to access Google section. Over here, click on it and swipe until you'll see search bar widget. Tap on add widget at the bottom. And now hold it to place it wherever you want to. When you're ready, just let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!